It should. Well, here we go again in my endless endeavour to buy a cheap action cam and not buy a GoPro because I think they're too much money. I probably could have bought 2 GoPros for the amount I paid on sundry action cams over the last years, but hey. So my latest acquisition is the Get Up G3 Duo, and I was attracted to it because it's high definition and you can plug an external mic into it. However, what they didn't tell you was that whilst recording with the mic plugged in, it also records through the camera mic, so you're still getting all the wind noise and stuff coming through the camera even with the external mic, so you're getting dual sound, but you can't hear the sound through the mic because of all the noise through the camera mic. So I bought a skeleton case, yeah. See, a skeleton case which has a side cut out for the mic to plug into. So I've just taken it for a ride and it's as noisy as. We go with mic test with the skeleton case with the Get Up 3. Just go around the block and see how it sounds, and it's quite windy today. With the Get Up 3, there's revision for. So what I've done is I've put a double-sided tape around the opening and just enough for the mic to plug into, and hopefully that eliminates most of the noise getting into the camera apart from the mic which is in the helmet. So anyway, we'll go and give it a go and see what happens. Here we go with trial number 2. Get up the camera, turn the mic, block off. Really windy today, so there you go. Looks like I'm going to have to invest in a GoPro because I've tried all the others. Well, I haven't tried them all, but the other good ones are just as expensive as the GoPro. So, and I think the GoPro will fit some of the mounts I've already got. So I'll start saving. In the meantime, I'll do my vlogs if I do any. I'm using the H1 and do the old sync. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay safe out there, and especially if you're riding motorbikes, and we'll see you later.